To add an AI agent in Make, let's click the plus button on the right side of our Google Sheets module, and then search for Agent. The very first option is Make AI Agents, and we'll select Run an Agent. In the settings panel that appears, click Create an AI Agent. Then click Create a Connection. Give your connection a name if you'd like, and then click Save. Next, give your agent a name. I'll call mine AI autoresponder. Next, select a model from the dropdown. Personally, I like to use the larger models because they're smarter. Next, we need to give our agent a system prompt. A system prompt is essentially a primer message that tells our agent how to behave, what its purpose is, and if there are any guidelines it should follow when crafting a response. To make it easy to build your first system prompt, I've created a template that you can use. To use the template, click the link in the description below. I'll give you a quick rundown of this template, and you can modify it to fit your own purposes. First, we have an identity. We tell the agent who it is. In this case, we're telling it that it is acting as Joe from Joe's Web Design. And the context is it's responding to contact form submissions, and we're telling it what tools it will have access to. We're telling it what input data we're going to give it, and then we're giving it a few tasks. Task 1 is to evaluate and determine whether it's appropriate to schedule a meeting or not. If it is appropriate to schedule a meeting, it'll check the calendar to see if their preferred date is available and then schedule it if it is. If not, it'll find some available times to propose. Task 2 is to write a response. It'll analyze the provided website HTML to analyze their business and anything about them. There's also some parameters it should follow when crafting a response. Finally, task 3 is to send that message via Gmail to the provided email address. Go ahead and hit Command-A on a Mac or Control-A on Windows to highlight everything, and then Command-C or Control-C to copy. And return to Make. Then paste it in for your system prompt. And click Save. Now, quick note, we set this up using Make's built-in AI capabilities. However, you can also use other third-party LLMs like OpenAI, Claude, or Gemini. I actually prefer to use the most recent model from ChatGPT because I think it does a really good job as an agent, but it's a little bit more complicated to set up. So for our tutorial today, we're keeping things simple by using Make's built-in AI capabilities. Next, let's give our agent some inputs. Scroll to the bottom of the configuration panel and under Messages, click Add Item. Click in the blank space under Message 1, and then let's pass along all that information from our spreadsheet. For example, we'll say first name, colon, and then we'll click on the first name from our spreadsheet. We'll create a new line, type last name, and then add the last name from our spreadsheet. Continue until your message looks something like this. We want to include the name, the website, email, the message, the preferred date, and preferred time. Next, create a new line, say HTML, and then let's add the HTML that was captured by our Browse AI module. Under the Browse AI inputs, click the arrow to the left of the Captured Texts section to expand it, and then grab the HTML output. Once you've done that, click Save. Now let's go ahead and test our agent. Click the drop-down arrow next to Run Once, and rerun a recent successful scenario. Our agent ran successfully, and if we click to open the operation summary, under Output and Bundle 1, we can see a response item, which we can expand to see the subject line and the message it created.